How to delete trip history on Uber app. Welcome to Let Me Help and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to get yourself Uber application that is easily available for your App Store and Play Store. Make sure that you have installed your Uber application in your device. To delete your trip history on Uber app, it is pretty simple. Navigate to the three horizontal line which will be in your left hand corner. Select the right, then tap on the delete right option to delete it. In your application, when you tap on it, you can see this three horizontal line. You can even tap on this option if the first one is not available for you. In this case, you need to navigate to the settings option. So go ahead and tap on settings. Select on the option of privacy, that is manage the data you share. So you need to head over to your privacy. Once you are in your account privacy, navigate to delete your account. We need to delete our account in order to delete the ride of our Uber, as we do not have a designated option to delete a ride for certain reason. So you can just delete your Uber application by verifying your password and tapping on the continue button. By that way, you'll be able to delete their ride history as well, which sums up the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.